Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, and then tap on appearance. And here at the very top we find language. We tap on the toggle list, and from this list we can select whatever language is to our liking. I don't know, if you speak English, you can just tap on English, or Spanish or French, whatever. You can select whichever fits your preferences. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.